Alright, we got linear equations and graphs, quiz 3. Trying to level up on these 4 skills. Let's rock and roll. What is the y-intercept of? Gives us the equation. Let's go ahead and punch it in. The y is the vertical axis, so boom, right here. If I was zoomed out, I'd hit the home button, get a close zoom, 0.6, done. Find the equation of a line, so we're trying to do y equals mx plus b. I'm going to go ahead and add a table. I'm going to sync it up to the linear regression. And I'm going to punch in some coordinate points. So, looks like it goes perfectly to that corner, 0 for x, -2 for y. And then I'm going to scan this line. Goes perfectly to the corner right there, so that's 4 for x, 1 for y. Now I've got the info I need. Boom, we got y equals the slope, which is down here is 0.75. And the y-intercept is the b value, which is -2. On to question 3. Complete the equation of a line through these coordinate points. Let's go ahead and punch those in the table and let Desmos do the rest. 2, 2. And then we got our m and our b value. So we got y equals the m value, -2, times x, plus the b value, 6. Done. Question 4. Easy graph and match. So let's go ahead and graph the equation. Y equals 4 divided by 5x minus 7. We got it graphed here. Let's click on the y-intercept. We can graph that point, -7. X-intercept can't be graphed. We need another point. Let's use another line to find points easy. Y 10 1, that won't work. Try -1. That won't work. Decimal, -2. That won't work. -3. Boom, 5 -3. So 5 for x, -3 for y. Boom, 5 -3. Last question. Let's punch these in the table. Find some coordinate points that we can use. So we can use the y-intercept, 0, 4. And we need another point. Looks like that goes perfectly to the corner of the square. That's 1 for x, 6 for y. Turn that back on, turn that back on. Boom, there's the line. And there's our information. Y equals the slope, which is 2, plus the y-intercept, which is 4. Getting that info down here. And that's how you do it. 5 out of 5. And I leveled up to 80s on all of them. Done.